Hi guys, and welcome back to another
Guys,
episode
naman
of
kayang
The
bunjang
Strongest
muri.
Battleground. I'm playing on
Lagig
mobile,
na may
so I'm using the
nagpipinting.
Garo moveset, also known as the Hero Hunter moveset. So let's start from the
Kaya patungon
beginning.
tayo
Yes,
masiwi
is
yan.
dummy. Just so how to make a down slam. First, you need to be 3 punch. 1, 2, 3, and jump. And this is how to make a mini uppercut. Just 1, 2, 3. Okay, that's not how. Okay, that's just down slam. Just okay, that is how you mini uppercut. So this is how my live ako. That's how you know to be the player of the strongest battlegrounds. I need to do a live first. So this is how the Garo ultimate looks like. Watch. That is how you want to be a pro player. But so that's how you can do a pro player. So like and subscribe to my channel. Please like and subscribe to my channel to get 1,000 subscribers. Okay, adios.